color changing. There's a lot of color changing options when it comes to our Duratape strip series, from more simplified colors between RGB versus RGBW and more dynamic range strips as well. So let's really dive in and see the differences between these strips and how they're best utilized within specific environments. To begin with, our more dynamic range, we have here demonstrated our Duratape Extreme Tunable product. This here is an all-encompassing full spectrum RGBA quad chip combined with tunable white CCT in 3000K to 6500K in one linear continuous strip. This really opens the door for designers. It allows to choose from previously unthinkable shades of color and light without the use of complex electronic devices and system software. To begin with, this is here a 6-circuit product. Again, you have your rich saturated colors in red, green, blue, that beautiful amber 16,000K, your 3000K static white CCT, and your 6500K cooler white CCT. Again, this allows for that really dynamic blend. You're able to really achieve not just those pastels, but again, unthinkable colors that were previously not available within our strip series. To begin with, let's go ahead and demonstrate with our amber mixed with deep saturated blue that will allow for a beautiful purple, rich purple color. If you wanted to add and make this less purple, you could add that more pastel hue by adding in 6500K, and again, it allows for that nice blend down, a little bit more pastel, not so rich in color. Duratape Extreme Tunable is 6.9 watts per linear foot, both indoor and outdoor versions available in this product. It is a 24-volt low voltage product, again 6-circuit, and will require a DMX remote driver. Duratape Pixel Control. This is a very dynamic product because it allows for the ability for every 4 inches or 6 LED diodes to be independently controlled, allowing for fluid dynamic chase effects in a continuous LED strip light. As you can see here, it clearly demonstrates each segmented series in a different color as I go through the different preset colors within my controller. Duratape Pixel Control is an RGBW source with red, green, blue, and white, your white LEDs being 3000 Kelvin, 6 watts per linear foot, a maximum of 85 delivered lumens, and again, this is a low voltage source at 24 volt. Duratape RGB is our most powerful strip light within the range. It allows for tighter space LEDs that are tri-chip, red, green, blue, that allows for shadowless light distribution within profiles with thinner lenses. To demonstrate, I have inserted our Duratape Ultra HD RGB strip into our aluminum P03B profile. As you can see, the effect that I get out of this product is complete uniformity on that lens. This is a 4.2 watt per linear foot product that features a maximum of 189 delivered lumens. Again, this is a low voltage source, but we have several remote DMX driver solutions available and simple control solutions with switch as well as more computer-based systems that allow for more dynamic control. Duratape Extra Narrow RGB is our smallest strip light within the range. It is less than half the width of our standard RGB product at 1/4 inch width. There is an assortment of smaller profiles, as you can see demonstrated here is our P01A profile, that allow for this product to be mounted in specific detailed small spaces. To demonstrate, I have inserted our extra narrow RGB Duratape strip product into our P01A profile. This really is an extra narrow profile that still allows for that rich, vibrant, RGB, full dynamic color changing. This is a 4.4 watt per linear foot product. Again, RGB, full saturated dynamic color. This is approximately a maximum of 183 maximum delivered lumens, 24 volt low voltage with remote DMX driver solutions available. Duratape RGBW is a little extra component as opposed to RGB. This features an extra white module for a quad chip RGBW source in a continuous linear strip light. It features 3000K for outdoor Duratape strip product and 2700K white module for indoor product. This is 4.4 watts per linear foot and has a maximum of 153 delivered lumens. Again, that 24 volt remote driver, DMX driver solutions. And we also have an assortment of very simple control options available as well. The RGBW really does allow for that dynamic full range color control with that extra white for pastel hue saturation. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!